Welcome back. My name is Dr. Zia, and I welcome you in my lecture number 8 on leadership. This lecture, I would be discussing in this lecture, I would be discussing about motivation. So, there are two statements which I would be sharing with you here. They say that when we think we lead, mostly we are led. Think upon it. And what do you think? Please comment below. Secondly, it is also said that you have got to give loyalty down if you want to get loyalty up. That's important. So, what is loyalty in your mind? Please pause my video and comment below. Let me see what do you understand? What is the concept of loyalty? All right. So, motivation. What is it? Do you have any concept of motivation? And what's the difference between inspiration and motivation? Okay, I'll explain these concepts in my next lectures. But in this lecture, I would be talking about motivation. Motivation is a sort of shorthand that provides direction, intensity, and persistence. I repeat, it gives you three aspects. Number one, it gives you direction. Number two, it gives you intensity or increases the intensity. And number three, it gives you persistence or endurance. My question is, why motivation? Definitely you would be saying that it gives you endurance, persistence, and intensity. But why motivation again? Still my question is there. So motivation should be there, or it should be distributed, it should be done, or it should be activated because of the following reasons. Excuse me. It directs the behavior towards particular goals. Otherwise, we just bump into different goals which are of no use. Motivation is important because it leads to increase the effort and energy. It is also important because it increases intimation of and persistence in activities. So, motivation is important because it enhances cognitive processing. It enhances and supports the cognition. It determines what consequences are reinforcing. And I tell you, it helps to lead to improved performance. For a leader, motivation is very important. Motivated employees always look for better ways to do a job, and motivated employees also are more quality oriented. Let me remind you that motivated workers and employees, they are more productive as compared to unmotivated employees or productive or followers. Okay, so leaders who are knowledgeable about different motivational theories, I tell you that leaders should know various theories and concepts and methods and techniques to motivate themselves as well as to motivate their followers or employees. So leaders who are more knowledgeable about different motivational theories are more likely to choose the right theory for a particular follower and situation, and often have higher performing and more satisfied employees as a result as compared to the competitors. So, what are the factors for motivating followers? What are the factors? As a leader, you must be knowing various factors which are there for motivating the followers. So, as per academic discussion or academic data or information, they say that the need is the most important thing for motivation. So the need theories are important to be learned, understood by the leaders. You as a leader must be understanding the cognitive theory or the aspect or the composition and conceptualization of the followers. Means how your followers, how your employees are understanding and conceptualizing your organization and the business in which they are in. The next one is individual differences. Not everybody can be motivated on the same scale. So, if you want to motivate somebody, remember individual differences, because someone may be motivated if you give him or her more salary. Maybe some other person will be more motivated if you give him or her respect. Maybe another person would be more motivated if you facilitate or let him or her participate in decision making or problem solving. Next one is situational. Remember, motivation is situational. Not every time one theory, one aspect of motivation works. It varies from situation to situation. And a good leader and an effective leader keeps on its understanding about the situation and changes the motivational techniques according to that. Lastly, it is said that motivation can be either intrinsic or extrinsic. For intrinsic motivation, I tell you, it is very, very strong and very effective and very solid as compared to extrinsic motivation. Extrinsic motivation comes through reward and tangible as well as intangible rewards and multiple aspects. But intrinsic motivation is what comes from within. My name is Dr. Zia. I would request you to subscribe, share, and press the bell icon. I thank you very much and see you in my next lecture.